This also, let me go back, of course, does your actuations and special tests. So your bidirectional test, that's going to be quite important. I mean, you need that to check fans, pumps. You need that to check windows, horns, all of that. I used this the other day to prove out that a horn was working and that the horn pad or the clock spring was bad on a Ford. So it was a very easy test, but it proved out something real fast for me. So all of the things that are in here, I've only had a few things over all of my launch tools, and I've probably got 5 of them, that if it says that it has the test, that once or twice it won't complete it. And a lot of times that comes down to something on the car having a problem and therefore not being able to complete it that way. So everything else has been fantastic. Of course, this is within just this this module on the car, so that within each module, so in the body control module, you'd have controls for turn signals, for horn, for fans and different things. So you're going to be able to go in and find those different things and test a bunch of equipment with this. Of course, you've got your special functions as well, and there's more options within that. So this thing has been an absolute beast. It is very full featured.